Alright guys, so today we're going to be making a video on how to install a shift knob on Mo's FRS.
Alright, so the first thing you gotta do, just twist the shift knob a little bit, loosen it up, then pull the boot down. Comes off pretty simple. Next thing is, grab your shift knob, your new one. Alright, this is the one I got. Get the adapter for it, put it inside. You gotta screw it in all the way. All you gotta do is screw it back on.
Yeah, the FRS is pretty simple. You just gotta take the shift knob off and pretty much just put your adapter on and you're done. And there you go.